Hello YouTube, here I have my HyperGo H16PL. We are going to go for a speed test. Has the GPS on and connected right here. Unfortunately, with the GPS there, I can't make this be in here, so we'll be running without the shell. But this is the HyperGo H16PL little buggy. I have this for a couple of months now. I was thinking about doing this testing here to check out the speed. We're gonna be testing it out this right here. It's a really beautiful day. Let's take a look at our GPS here. Start, stop, read, 0. And we're gonna go track, and it starts. It's already getting up to the speed right here. It's being measured. So let's test it out. And I will be running the controller at 100%, like you can see. So let's go. Wow, already went pretty quick here. All the way down there. Coming back. That was pretty cool, pretty good. One more time. Going straight back. Well, I think this is gonna do it. Let's come bring it back. And let's check the GPS speed. Para com isso, por favor. And let's see what we have here. Stop and read 25 miles an hour. That's not bad. 2S Lipo 25 miles an hour. Let's see if we can do a little bit better. I already zeroed it out. Start. And let's see one more time if we can get a little bit higher than 25. All the way down there. And then all the way coming back. One more time. And coming back. Flipped right here on the grass. Not a problem. Get this in here. Let's check what we have. And I do stop and read 26. All right, so that's gonna do it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope that you liked this video. Just a quick demonstration how fast this little H16PL can do. And it's 26 miles an hour. Thank you. Please subscribe, ask questions, comments. I'll get back to you shortly. Thank you. Bye.